Wanna see me with some old time shit. Let the whole world know he's on some off-key tip. Mega manic. Time the pressure start lick. By the hook or by the crook, by the poop or by the kick heat. Sickly cryptic, spitting the code. And most proud to present that Crufferton mode. And it shows that grows done. Seen a few slights. Life row scenario, reality bites. We in collision with the beast. Lost through religion, now with no peace. Eat that week up. Guys the chief, stoop to the level and we plotting cold grief. But we should know that discipline make up the keys. Separation of the dat from the rap, that's a must. Proceed set speed with the Crufferton touch. Proceed set speed, the Crufferton, y'all. Swinging that deep root juice, now we them burning boots. Let them spirit them loose, go hit the slash of the news. With conclusive proof, the truth, the right. Cause whether we get shike or push bike or travel kind of trash. Manifest that with oats and roots rap. Manifest that, yeah, I do my zing way. Ain't nothing else I know. Gone up in the life with this ragged bone flow. Squeeze the witness, the fitness. The Crufferton living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness. The Crufferton living. One hope, one quest. Well. One quest. One hope, one quest.